Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Today, let me show you how you can make a second blog page on Wix. First, let's open your Wix account, then head over to your site editor by clicking Edit Site on the bottom part of your screen. From here, navigate to your right and select this Pages and Menu. Make sure you are in the Site menu over here. Then on the bottom, click Add Menu Item. Add on the options, click on the New Page. From here, you can select a page you can add. There are multiple templates over here that you can use. In our case, let's select the Steam template over here. This will probably be seen on your footer. Click on that, and it will now add a new page about your team. You can customize this one and click Publish on the top once done, and there you have it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.